Remove the 7 bolts of the crankcase using a 8 mm deep socket from the right hand side. The crankcase, and its center bolt is properly resting on the crankshaft. Fit the crankcase separating tool so that the tool arms are parallel with the side of the crankcase, and its center bolt is properly resting on the crankshaft. Now remove the crankshaft assembly. And its center bolt is properly rested on the crankshaft. Crankshaft oil sealed from the left hand side of the crankcase by using oil seal punch.